Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how you can send a WhatsApp message with Python. And I can hear you saying, so what? I can already send a WhatsApp message on my phone, on my computer, and on anywhere. But the important part is that with Python you can program it to send the message at a specific time of the day. So in this way, you can send automated messages at the same time or a particular time of the day. You can make it work even every day. So for that, I will use Anaconda Python. You can use any Python that you like, but Anaconda Python and IPython console is quite good for that purpose. So I will start my IPython console, and let's make it a little bit bigger so that it can be seen much more clearly. Okay, now this is our IPython console. The first thing that I need to install is a Python library called pywhatkit. I will say pip install pywhatkit. For me, it has been already installed, so I didn't need to actually, but just to show you. Okay, now we installed, let's assume that we installed pywhatkit, and the second step is import pywhatkit as pwap. Okay, this will help us to shorten it. After that, I will write pwap and then put a dot and send. It will show me the options. I will select this one. Okay, send. Oh, let's go. Send what's message. And let's open a parenthesis. Okay, when you open the parenthesis, you will see all the options, but I will close it. Okay, if you are doing, of course, with Python. The first part is the phone number that you want to send. Please do not forget to put plus and the international code also here. So I will write it here for me. The second step is to write your message. This is my message sent from Python. And the third step, you have to write the time. I will write 1 minute later so that I can show you 15:15. And for the minutes, it is the fourth place. For the minutes, I will make it 00. Now, if I press enter, it will send in 17 seconds. It will start a browser, typically your default browser. It will open web.whatsapp.com. If it is not authenticated, you know that you have to scan a barcode, etc. If it is not authenticated, it can't do that. As you can see, it started the browser. And now it is sending this number. Please be patient even if you don't see it immediately sending the message. It takes a few seconds. It has a few seconds of waiting time. And as you can see here, your first Python message is sent. This is my message sent from Python.